Good morning. It's about 10:30. We can't get a late checkout. Hotel was full the night before. It's going to be full today, so we've got to leave here at 11. We're going to check our bags though behind the counter, go get some lunch. Then we've got a ride picking us up at 12:30 over to the airport, and we're going to sit there till 7:15. It'll be a little less than a 3-hour flight back to St. Louis. Back out in the morning, and we're going to take some people up to Steamboat Springs. Wish we could have gotten a late checkout. Oops, power just came back on. I was working on my flight plan and the power went out. And just as I was recording this, the power came back on. But I heard a generator kick on, so I think they're actually running on a generator here right now. There's the view outside my sliding glass door here. You can hear that generator running out there. No internet. So back to plan B. We'll just wait till we get to the FBO to do the flight planning. Oops, there we go. Okay, we're back up on the internet. That's a good thing. Back in action. Okay, weather looks good. There's our route. Not much in the way of thunderstorms now, but that'll change. All right, there are all my receipts drying. I was out in the little Rapids River with those. I'm ready to move on. Move to something else. Get back home. Okay, this is where we're going to have lunch today. Grab a couple of burgers real fast. I just take a little video of walking in.
You know, I was talking about the port. How they need to be clean, but you said you thought it was moss.
Oops. Wrong door. Somebody you'd never seen before shows up, and all of a sudden. 6 hours to go. 6 hours to take off. 3 hours to go. Maybe I'll change from my iPad to my computer now. I've been watching trailers now. I've watched all the trailers for 2018 coming up, 2017. Yeah, maybe I'll check the weather now. See, one of the problems with the FBOs at Nassau is they don't have courtesy cars. So you've got to take a taxi really quite a ways to get some lunch, and then a taxi back. So that's kind of a problem. But I met a NetJets crew, and they actually had some extra box lunches they gave to us. They were trying to get rid of them. Just got off the phone with the owner of the M2. He's over in Fort Lauderdale. He's going to be flying over here in an hour. So we may see the M2 coming in as we're leaving. 2 hours to go. We're starting to get ready. $45 minutes to go. Boy, it is humid. It really is. Hot and humid. We're still waiting for them. Hopefully they'll be here in about 10-15 minutes, but I just saw 2 uniform land. It ought to be pulling up here in just a moment.
314, line from wait.
14, line up wire, breaker 4725.
On the 326, traffic departing threshold, Embraer Jet 14, clear the line.
And nut shooter panel is clean. Before takeoff check complete.
Thank you.
Power is set, airspeed's alive. 80 knots. 3-1. Rotate. Pause to brake. Gear up, gear up.
Flaps up, yaw damper.
Flaps up. Yaw damper on.
Mike and I just cleared customs. We're waiting for our passengers to be cleared. They'll come back out. We'll start it up, taxi over to the hangar. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.